Right now, Planned Parenthood right here in the Valley is taking some major steps in the advancement of women's health. They're starting new initiatives just after getting some of their funding back. Patricio Gonzalez is here to explain. Thank you so much for being here, Mr. Gonzalez.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Oh, well, thanks for being here. And let's start off with the funding aspect. You guys had your funding cut on the state level. How did you get some of that back?
Well, we've been doing a lot of fundraising. We've done ask foundations. The public has been very helpful. And we've gotten now a federal grant that can keep our clinics open and provide women with health care services, preventive health care services, and hopefully soon we will be reopening the Mission Center as well.
And that's so important because a lot of people maybe have some misconceptions. Planned Parenthood is actually providing services to women that don't necessarily have health insurance or can't cover their own health costs.
That is correct. Most of our women are uninsured. And they're poor and they have no access to health care. We're probably their only doctor right now, so we're very, very fortunate to still be around.
And you guys are starting up a brand new initiative, correct?
Yes, we're starting our breast health initiative for this month. It's a service that we provide any of our women that come into our clinics and they find themselves with a breast abnormality. They get to be seen by a local surgeon, Dr. Federica Borland. And then she will also then determine whether they are eligible for a mammogram, a sonogram, or whatever other diagnostic service we can provide them.
And that's so important because women in the Valley, or women in general, breast cancer is one of the leading forms of cancer.
Exactly. It is, and that's why the earlier they detect it, the sooner they can get it detected and treated, the better the likelihood that they will survive the cancer.
And let's kind of switch topics here for a second because we've been talking about how much this helps the women of the Valley. Let's talk about how you get your funding. A lot of it comes from people just making donations to you, and you have a big event that's actually going to be helping you guys out.
Oh yes, we are having this Thursday our 19th annual chocolate and champagne event at Edwards Abstract and Title Company in Edinburgh at 3111 Freddy Gonzalez Drive. And the proceeds from this event go directly to the clinics to help women with their health care services.
And chocolate and champagne, who doesn't love that, right?
Exactly. It's a great combination. It's, again, all the champagne you can drink with all the chocolates and desserts, and we've had lots of support from the community, from restaurants, from vendors, from merchants, and from people.
And it sounds like so much fun. How can people get these tickets?
They can just call 956-688-3700 and ask for a reservation, and we'll take care of it.
Well, thank you so much for being here with us this morning. We really appreciate it.
I'm glad to be here.
And of course, you can find all of the information on this event and this interview, plus all the other interviews on Action 4 Sunrise by heading to valleycentral.com. Mary?